Greetings everyone, welcome to Sure Learning. Always there are some students in the classroom who rush through their work and they give you incomplete answers, they have sloppy handwriting and they do careless mistakes. They have incomplete work as well, which will really make you nervous and it can hamper your teaching as well. As a teacher, if this is something that you are really struggling with, then we have 8 strategies which will help you to deal with the students, those who rush through their classroom. Don't take a submission till everyone is done, otherwise it will create a rush.
Suppose you have given some assignment to the class and after some time those who have completed their assignment start coming to you, which will create a rush in the classroom. Students start moving into classroom while you may be busy in checking assignment.
So other students get distracted, they start losing their concentration. To avoid this situation, do not collect any assignment till everyone complete their work. Provide estimate time to complete the assignment.
Always tell your students how much time is required to complete the assignment.
If you find that few of the students are completing their work in less time than the standard time, then don't start appreciating them, rather than tell them to recheck their work. Let the atmosphere be calm and peaceful.
If you have given some task to your students, then during this time, as a teacher, you have to stay calm until all students have completed their task. Even if you have come across some other thoughts or instructions, hold on. Don't deliver this to student when they are doing a task.
If you do so, then student may get distracted and they start asking you a question related to the new instruction, or will rush through the assigned work and make mistake. So always focus on one task only. Give importance to quality work.
After giving an assignment, you may come across a situation where you find that few of the students have completed the assignment in less time and few of them may need more time.
Check the quality work of the child before accepting. Show exemplar for good work if required. Always appreciate quality work rather than quick work. Always check your students in initial phase. When you give any assignment to your students, you know who are the students who rush. So check their initial work before letting them proceed.
Example, you have given 20 questions to solve. Tell them that first complete 4 questions. Check those questions, give feedback before you allow them to proceed. It will reduce the time and energy of teacher and students and it will improve productivity.
For online session, you can use note catchers.
When you are conducting online sessions, then you can keep all of your assignments ready on Google Docs or in spreadsheet and create a link to access the file and keep this handy with you. And when you are taking session in Zoom, then you can use breakout room to distribute the students in group and share links with the student in chat box. And once they start working on assignment, then you just stay on that document and you can observe what students are doing, how they are doing.
Provide self-checking tools. In every class, after giving assignment, there are few students who complete their work first and they start creating rush in the classroom. So for such students, you can keep self-checking tools like checklist or rubrics. This you can keep specific to subject area or in general. Some example of checklist would be:
did you place your name on the paper? Did you check for spelling errors? Did you write in complete sentences? Can your teacher read it or is it too messy?
Give grading to only those students who are giving you quality work. If any students are completing their work very early, then they start doing rush. And you observe that if their work is too messy and have many errors, then stop giving grading to him and give him back his work to correct it.
Usually such situation happen because maybe students are doing something else so that they are not able to give their full concentration of 100% to his work. So in such case, try to check their work in initial phase only, as we discussed earlier.
Use speeding tickets. This can act like consequence ticket that acknowledge that child has rushed through his work and needs to either redo it or clean up the mistakes.
One of the format of speeding ticket is here. First, you can either collect money or can give consequences. You can download the speeding ticket from the link given in the description box. Let us summarize. Strategy number 1. Don't take any submission till everyone is done, otherwise it creates a rush. Strategy number 2. Provide estimate time to complete the assignment. Strategy number 3. Let the atmosphere be calm and peaceful. Strategy number 4. Give importance to quality work. Strategy number 5. Always check your students in initial phase. Strategy number 6. For online session, you can use note catchers. Strategy number 7. Provide self-checking tools. Strategy number 8. Give grading to only those students who are giving you quality work. Strategy number 9. Use speeding tickets.
I hope you like these strategies which will help you to handle your students who rush through their work. If you like these strategies, stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe. And you can share your views by adding your comment in the comment box. You can check out our other videos on teaching techniques. Happy teaching!